auction site off in October, and I've got some amazing diamonds put aside for that. I've also got some Argyle pink diamonds from 10 years ago that I've just held on to because, again, I knew that these situations were coming up. I knew that that mine was not going to be around much longer. The other thing is I bought 200 little red diamonds. The most valuable diamonds in the world are red diamonds. I bought 200 of them 10 years ago when they were affordable. They're not affordable anymore. But what I did with these and what I'm doing with these diamonds is we came out with our own line of jewelry. It's called the Argyle Dream Collection. Nobody else in the world has this, just for us. And what we decided to do is put a little red diamond inside the band of every one of our diamond rings while they last. So again, every one of our clients that have their Argyle diamonds made into a necklace or a ring is also going to get a little red diamond put inside the band of the diamond ring, and it absolutely increases the value of the diamond tremendously. So again, we're very excited about what's upcoming. We never stop here. We're always looking to improve and do the best we possibly can for our listeners and clients. Again, we're totally committed to these recommendations, and again, I am the type of person that puts my money where my mouth is. I have gold and silver physically, and most of my money in diamonds. I have zero in the stock market, nor have I had a dime in the stock market since 1999. Again, we saw what was happening in metals and in currencies and in inflationary markets and in diamonds, and that's where most of my clients have put their money, and that's where my family and I have put my money. I would love for our clients and listeners to the show that have not done anything at this point is to get in before this big move comes this summer. And if you're going to buy diamonds, do it before September and save yourself 35%. Again, this is one of the most exciting times for us because, again, we've been right. It's not like we're sitting, as a stockbroker and petrified that the market's going to plummet again. We started buying silver at $4. We started buying gold at $2.50. And we bought oil at $18, and we've been buying diamonds for the last few decades. And by the way, these yellow flawless diamonds back in 1980 were $500. Now they're $20,000.
Speak with Harold about diamonds. The website is rarecoloreddiamonds.com, rarecoloreddiamonds.com. Get the diamond section of the newsletter from Harold. The telephone number is 1-800-432-1022, 1-800-432-1022. To invest in precious metals, the telephone number 1-866-623-2002, 1-866-623-2002, the website www.pmc.com. We have about a minute left in our show here. Here's something to think about. A pile of debt that the United States has would stretch beyond the stratosphere. President Ronald Reagan once famously said that a stack of $1,000 bills equivalent to the U.S. government's debt would be about 67 miles high. That was 81. Since then, the national debt has climbed to $14.3 trillion. In $1,000 bills, that would be more than 900 miles tall. In $1 bills, the pile would reach the moon and back twice. The United States has hit its legal borrowing limit, and the Treasury Department has said the U.S. Congress must raise the debt ceiling by August 2nd to avoid default. Everyone's talking about Greece defaulting, but the United States, well, it could be a very interesting summer. And Harold, about 30 seconds left here. Any closing thoughts?
Yes, it's a long weekend here in the United States. Again, we thought that maybe the metals would have sold off this weekend with option expiration and a long weekend, but as we're talking, gold's up $15. The markets look amazing. Again, get into gold and silver and diamonds. It's the smartest thing you can do at this point. All we want is to get through these difficult times.
Thank you very much, Harold Siegel.
It's my pleasure. I wish everybody a wonderful weekend and a very profitable day.
Good luck to the Vancouver Canucks. They made it to the final. Good luck. To invest in precious metals, the telephone number, 1-866-623-2002. That is the only company that Harold recommends, Worldwide Precious Metals, www.pmc.com, 1-866-623-2002, rarecoloreddiamonds.com to connect with Harold, or 1-800-432-1022. That is it. Another edition of the World Financial Report on radio with Harold Siegel and me, Randy Marshall. We will talk to you next week.